Hey guys, welcome back to Next Gen Blogger, and in this video I will show you 4 ways using which you can start editing in VSDC Video Editor. So the first way is by clicking on import content, where you can directly import the content which you want to edit in the editor even before you start the project in the editor. So let me just quickly select my image titled house and click on open. After I click on open, now I have to write the name of the project. So let me just write the name of the project as tutorial demo, and let me just quickly click on finish. So as you can see, using the import content method, I directly imported the content which I wanted to edit in the editor even before I started the project. So this is the first way. Now let me just quickly close this project. Now the second way is through blank project. So here, once I click on blank project, here I write the name of the project, and again let me just write the name of the project as tutorial demo, and let me just click on finish. Using the import content method, I selected the content which I wanted to edit in the editor, and I then started the project. Using the blank project method, I first start the project and now I will import the content which I want to edit. So I started the project. Let me just quickly import the same image in the editor. So as you can see, using the blank project method, I started the project first and now I am importing the content or the image. And using the import content method, I imported the image first and then I started the project. So this is the second way to start editing in VSDC Video Editor. Again, let me just quickly close this project. The third way is again using this new project option which is present in the top left hand side. So if I click on new project, let me write the project title again as tutorial demo, and now here I have couple of options like import project, blank project, import content, blank project, and couple of other options like create slideshow, video capture, screen capture. So it's the same thing basically. If I click on import content, and click on finish, I will be asked to select my content, and so suppose I select house and click on open, and then I click finish. My image will get automatically imported in the editor. So it's pretty much the same thing. Now let me just quickly close this project, and let me just click on new project once again, and let me again write the title as tutorial demo, and now let me just click on blank project or select blank project, and let me just click on finish. So as you can see, a blank project has been created in the editor. Now again I can select my image and upload it in the editor for editing. So these were the 3 ways using which you can start editing in the editor. It's pretty much all the same thing. However, in the import content method, using the import content method, you first import the content and then you create the project. If you do through the blank project method, you first create the project and then you import the content. This new project option is kind of hybrid of both these options, blank project and import content, or rather um, these are subset of this new project option, because if I click on new project, I have these options readily available here. So this is that. Now you can actually also drag and drop files in the editor. So let me just quickly create a new project and let me show you how you drag and drop option. So basically, if I go to downloads and you see my image right here, so if I just select that and put it in the editor, as you can see, I dragged and dropped my image in the editor. So this is the fourth way through which you can start editing in the editor. So these were the four ways basically using which you can start editing in VSDC free video editor. So this is absolutely basic stuff, again, for someone who is just starting learning editing in VSDC video editor. These are the four ways through which you can start editing. So I hope you like my video, guys. Thanks for watching.